So how y'all like the type beat, you know? So we got this and we is putting gas in the car right now. But yeah, how y'all like the tail lights, man? How y'all like the tail lights? But today, guys, we about to do a POV drive type beat. But yeah, y'all check the car out, y'all. Bruh, I know this shit looks sexy, y'all. Zl1. I did get this done, y'all, but how y'all like it? Ooh, man. John sexy. But yeah, y'all just put 40, 49, about 49 up in here, y'all. But I'm about to go ahead and get the thumbnail, y'all. So real quick, let's go ahead and get this thumbnail. What up, YouTube? Today, guys, we about to do a late night POV, and 12 just sitting right there. I feel like bruh out there. I don't know. But y'all know how 12 is. They be on that bull junk sometimes. But oh yeah, how y'all like the interior, you know? I'm still trying to work with this, y'all, trying to get this carbon at the same time. You know, I got the stars and stuff, you know, trying to match the headlights that y'all see in the thumbnail today, guys. But this gonna be a nice little POV drive, a little light. I mean, sometimes y'all be talking fast, so sometimes I be saying my words all wrong and junk. So if y'all get it, bro. But y'all know I'm country, so oh yeah, no mind. I'm humble. I'm gonna stay humble. But yeah, y'all, so we about to go ahead and do this quick little POV drive real quick. But yeah, what up, YouTube? So we back at it again, y'all. We about, oh shit, hold on, y'all. This the downfall with these low crawlers, okay, y'all, so we about to do this quick little POV drive real quick, y'all. Hopefully I can get out here. So for me, we about to go on this side. Quick little POV. My bad, y'all, if I'm driving like an old ass lady. Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all let me know, cause I'm trying to figure out. Do anybody know how to actually work with like the headlights on the car? Because one of my headlights is actually bright. Is actually brighter than the other one, and I've been trying to get that fixed, cause it looked dumb. That's one thing, y'all. But let me go ahead and change everything off the car. My bad, y'all, if I keep coming back and forth to this damn POV. But yeah, y'all. So if y'all like the video, you know, subscribe and comment down below. You know what I'm saying? If y'all really want to see more videos like POV drives and stuff, y'all just let me know. If y'all really just trying to get into this POV stuff. Oh, my brakes. But yeah, let me go ahead and turn these lights real quick, and I'll get back with y'all though. No cap. So we back, y'all. I just had to change them headlights real quick, cause 12 be tripping. Y'all know they be tripping, y'all. But today, guys, I don't want to have this junk cover up. So we about to do a quick easy little POV drive, y'all. I don't know if I want to really be driving and look too crazy. I don't know, I probably is though, 9 out of 10. The fudge, right? Suppose that one person that be driving slow, y'all. Like, right. Hold on. I gotta change that. Oh, not today. Y'all not about to see me. So we about to get on the highway. About to do a little quick, easy drive on the little highway. But yeah, y'all love this car so freaking much. Like, I ain't gonna even cap to y'all, bro. That's one thing that I like about this car, y'all. Is like, this car is so fun. Like, I ain't gonna even cap to y'all. But we about to go ahead and do some. Holy shit! Hold on, truck. Damn. God damn, nigga about to run me over. But yeah, y'all, I'm always behind these slow ass cars. Bro, just be driving slow. So yeah, y'all, this just gonna be a little quick little POV. See y'all niggas be driving slow. Y'all shouldn't even got in their lane, y'all. Do y'all hate when, so you get on the other side behind somebody and then they'll end up start driving up. So you'll get over it because the person that you got over from driving slow. And then they start to pick up speed for your ass can't get over. Ain't that some crazy junk? Like, I swear folks be hating for real. And then they gonna try to get over. Like, bruh, y'all be tripping. I think we gonna end up driving a good distance. But yeah, y'all bear with me, man. I know. And the ambient lights is actually good, y'all, on this car. Like, I see the lights, like, that shit is perfect. Shit is perfect. Like, look. Oh, shit. Yeah, y'all. Y'all love the POV, man. I mess with y'all. If y'all really watch this whole video, y'all a real one. It's a little relaxing, little POV, y'all. Relaxing. I know, just sit back and relax. You know, go eat y'all popcorn or something and just relax. Hopefully I don't got my hand over this damn mic. Alright. Okay, so we about to drive through the airport, y'all. So we can go ahead and get people reactions and stuff. I don't really like going to the airport like that because it just be too much. There's too much traffic going on over there in junk, but hey. I think this pretty much I think it's gonna be like a good 18-minute video or some shit, y'all. So y'all kind of bear with me. Like, crazy. I know y'all see them lights at the top and the little stars. Oh yeah, one thing about getting y'all car, y'all, if y'all got a fast car, bro, make sure to add stars in y'all car, bro. That should be like the second to third mod that you gotta get to your car, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Get that and your car is just gonna be popping. Like if you wanna have you wanna have your chick up in the damn car and some junk, bro, she gonna love that, man. That's gonna make her penny drop just like that, easy. Just get stars in y'all car, man. And watch how good this car is on like the drift and stuff, y'all. So perfect. And yes, y'all, you could go 100 around like curves and stuff, like corners. Like this the best part about this car. Like, I can actually take a whole bunch of corners by just going 100. But yeah, hold on, y'all. Oh shit, hold on. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. My bad, y'all. But yeah. Oh shit. My bad, y'all. I be trying to like split up my recording. I can't really record the video like a long hours and it just started to tend to like cut out. So we about to drive through the airport, y'all. Oh. And yeah, y'all, like, I really gotta get these headlights fixed, y'all. It's just one of my headlights look kind of like one of my headlights, y'all, look kind of like bad. So that's another thing about that is, y'all, like, we about to drive through this airport, y'all. So we about to get these folks' reaction. Oh man. So we about to drive through the airport, y'all. So we gonna drive, y'all, you know, relaxing. Oh shit. Oh my god. Niggas, bro. What the fuck? Niggas always trying to cut over. This one thing about coming to Atlanta, y'all, is like, fuck nigga. You don't know if you really want to come out or what. Like, it's one thing about, like, living the life that you really want to live, y'all. It's basically, bro, just go get y'all dream car, bro. That's the only thing y'all need to get, bro. And trust me, yo, like, if it's something that y'all really want, bro, y'all go get that jump, bro. Back to what we was talking about, y'all. So we going around these corners and junk, y'all. This one thing that I like about this car, y'all, is like you can really do this stuff. Y'all think a Dodge can do this? Do all this? Nope. Y'all think a Dodge can go like 70 to 80 around this without, like, you know, without spinning out? So yeah, y'all. So we got this video. Oh shit. Folks about to get smacked. What the fuck? Leg lad truck. But yeah, y'all. My bad if I'm not really talking like that, y'all. But it's kind of, you know. Oh yeah, another thing about the credit game, y'all, is like, just fix y'all credit, bro. Go ahead and fix your credit. If you want these cars, bro, fix your credit. Don't listen to nobody else, y'all. I'm tired. That's what they call make a risk. I said make a risk. I mean take a risk, y'all. Take a risk in life, because if you play it safe, you're not gonna make it nowhere in life if you play it safe. Take that risk, and that junk gonna change your whole life, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So many folks, they be thinking like, oh, these cars are a terrible investment. Oh, the car insurance is too much money. Like, folks just don't be knowing. It's so much many ways to make money. Like, folks just be thinking small-minded. But the thing about this is, y'all always want to know how to actually make this type of money. Is like, basically, bro, just post. Just post every day. Be consistent. Like, you gotta post every day, y'all. I cannot go ghost online and thinking like, oh, you gonna come back and get all these views back again. That's why I'm trying to stay consistent, y'all. My bad. If I'm not staying consistent, man, yeah, bro, y'all comment down below if I'm not staying consistent, man. I'm trying my best, man. Oh my god, bro. Folks like this gonna get their ass hit. Like, bruh. Look. Like, folks like this be getting, like, they be getting on my damn nerves. Like, why is you driving so slow? Get off the road. But yeah, y'all, so I'm pretty much heading right back to the house real quick. Cause these folks don't know how to drive, and I usually just go home, y'all. Cause none of these folks don't really know how to drive. So I usually just go straight home. side car. So yeah, so we on our way back to the house. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was just a little video of me just showing y'all how perfect my car, you know, not trying to say like I got the best looking car on YouTube, but you know, I'm just showing like, you know, damn, y'all, I'm stuttering like a motherfucker. But I'm showing y'all that I really take care of my car. And yeah. And that gas station picture was like hitting for real. Like I ain't gonna even count to y'all. Like that shit was really hitting. Like I'm really gonna enjoy editing this video. But yeah, y'all. But I'll talk to y'all later though. Y'all stay safe, man. And I'll catch y'all later on the flip side, you know. If y'all really want more POVs, man, just comment down below if y'all really want the POVs a lot. But yeah, I stay safe, man. Deuce, Ed is out. No cap.